Hi, my name's Graham Hillier. I work with the Youth and Ecological Restoration program as the coordinator and youth support worker.
My name is Elwood. I took YER Phase 1 in the spring, Phase 2 in the summer.
Hi, my name's Olivia. I started working with Youth and Ecological Restoration about 2 summers ago, and I did a lot of work with the community and the environment.
Hello, I am Brooklyn Domini. I'm 16. I did 2 phases of the YER program.
My name is Rory, and I'm the teacher at Nalatsi School in Courtenay, BC on the traditional unceded territories of the Comox First Nation.
This program's been going for 20 years as a way for youth to get out and be more connected with nature and their community. So when you join the program, you go to 4 different places in our community to help and assist the staff and volunteers at these organizations.
I think that they're really great people who really try their best to make a difference.
Yeah, they're really great people, and I would never pick anyone else to work with.
One of the things you might do is go to Mars Wildlife Rescue, where you get to hand feed baby birds, or you get to be part of a medical procedure where they're checking the health condition of the patients.
I remember walking into when I was working at Mars, and I saw a little mouse lying on the table, and it looked not great, and I was like, oh my gosh, is it okay? And they're like, oh no, that's lunch.
My favorite was when we saw a juvenile eagle that kept flying over us, because we were checking whether it could fly straight or had good wing structure.
And they pointed to an owl, and I fed an owl a little rat, and it was kind of fun because it was this giant, I want to say barn owl, and it was adorable.
And we also went to different hatcheries, seeing how we could help and what they're trying to do to help the ecosystem.
Another place you might work is the Oyster River Fish Hatchery, where we help the volunteers and the staff there with many different things, and that could include feeding the 40,000 coho fry. In the fall, one of my favorite things to do is helping all the volunteers there seine net the river to capture salmon for their brood stock. One of the other things you'll do is work alongside some of the stream keepers in our community. And here we're counting the out-migration of salmon and different traps that these stream keeper groups have set up. In the fall, we get to walk some of the most beautiful stretches of creeks in the Comox Valley, counting returning spawning salmon.
So we've had probably over a dozen Nalatsi students participate, and I've seen quite a transformation. I've noticed more of a connection with the land.
It gave me a deeper understanding in nature and more connected.
With many of the youth I've worked with, I really feel like it's getting out in nature that is the most benefit to them.
There's a lot that you can do to help the environment and work with the community, and I think that's a really important experience to have, to just work and do your best for something that you really care about.
I've also noticed it's really helpful for students' confidence.
Towards the end of the program, I had to do a speech and talk in front of a bunch of people, which can always be kind of nerve-wracking.
And I had to lead 40 different people through these trails and tell them about the wildlife and the types of plants in the area, and it was really nerve-wracking, really nerve-wracking.
But I did it, and it pushed me to do a lot more community talking in the future, like joining my school improv team and school plays and doing community theater work, which I've always wanted to do.
I felt accomplished and relieved, very relieved. I felt very proud that I was able to talk in front of that amount of people. And it has helped me know that I want to be a wildlife conservation assistant.
One of the reasons I was so drawn to this program is because I get to introduce youth into nature and let them experience parts of their community they wouldn't necessarily always get to see.
I know it's a little bit scary going into something new, but I can assure you that it's great work experience and learning from the people that really want to make an impact on our environment.
It was just fun because you rarely get to experience stuff like this if you've never taken the program.
I think it can be very empowering for young people to see the results of their actions and their learning on their communities, on the land, and should feel like they have some agency.
This program has helped me unlock many career opportunities and meet lots of great people in the conservation field.
I think it's important for youth to participate in the Youth and Ecological Restoration program to get a better sense of the natural world that's around us. And when we become more hands-on with the natural environment around us, we become more connected to it. And I just see that in the response from the youth.